I'll be showing you how to make chili today. So what's the first thing that comes to mind when I say chili? Well, it probably depends on which part of the world you're from, east or west. The east side probably would imagine it's a red, hot, green chili pepper that is very spicy with a lot of seeds in it. But if you're from Texas, USA or Mexico, you're probably thinking more of a chili with beans mixed with some sort of meat, probably beef. So that is the one that I'll be showing you how to make today on Amazing Kitchen. It's called chili con carne. Chili means pepper and con carne is with beef. That's what it means in Spanish. So if you're native to Mexico or the southern part of USA, you're probably very familiar with this. But that's okay. If you've never heard of it, I'll be showing you what it's all about. It's very tasty. It's a bowl of hearty meat and beans infused with a lot of tomato and spicy flavor. Thinking about it makes my mouth water. It's okay if you've never heard of it, but follow through with our recipe. See if you will like something like this or not. If you're one of those that like hearty, spicy food like curry or curry potatoes, this is something that might appeal to you. It's very healthy, very tasty, and full of flavor. It's a meal on its own, but it can be enjoyed either in a bread bowl form like this, or you can even bake it in the oven with some cheese, or maybe even sprinkle it over your rice. Either way, it's enjoyable to have. All right, well, let's get to it and see how it's made. What do you think of this chili recipe? Have you ever tried something like this before? If you're from the West, you're probably very familiar with this because there's a chili cookout in the US every year to find the greatest, most amazing, best tasting chili recipe. But if you're from the East, this is probably something a little new to you. But that's okay. I mean, there's beans, there's meat, it's the same basic ingredients, but it's put together with a lot of new spices. So give it a try if you haven't tried it yet. I mean, I'm sure you will like it. If you like curry, you will enjoy a hearty meal like this. It's good to warm your body up from the inside out, and it's great for cold days. Of course, if you're from the tropics, this might be something not so appealing, but the chili really makes you sweat, and that sweating also cools you down. So it's tasty regardless, good for any season. So, I mean, give it a try. If you haven't noticed yet, I've used yogurt instead of sour cream in this dish. Traditionally, you put sour cream over this and it mixes very nicely together. I thought the yogurt is really good to soften up, to remove the heatiness of this dish. Because in Asian culture, we believe that when you take a lot of hot food, a lot of hearty, nutritious food, it gives you a lot of heat in the body. And to cool that down, take some yogurt. Yogurt will balance it out nicely. It also balances the taste because it's a little zesty and a little tarty. It really mixes into this spice very nicely. So, I mean, give it a try if you haven't tried with yogurt yet. But this yogurt that I just picked up is, it's tasty. I love it. It has a nice, unique taste. Very fresh, very organic. All right. Well, and another thing is, which method do you prefer? Do you like it in a bowl form, or do you like to bake it with some melted cheese over the top? Either way, it's really enjoyable to have. So I hope you can give it a try. It's some basic, very basic ingredients that you can pick up at your local grocery store. I mean, if you're not a meat lover, leave the meat out. Replace it with some vegetable like carrot and sweet pepper, and it'll taste just as good. Well, I guess that's about it. So remember to subscribe if you haven't yet, and if you have, hit the bell button so you'll be notified on our next upload recipe. But if you don't like this video, make sure you hit the dislike button twice, and I guess that's it. Check out our other playlists, our French playlist, traditional Chinese dish playlist, and go crazy with it. If you have any questions or any comments, make sure you leave it in the comment section below, and give us a suggestion what else you'd like to see on our show. Leave it in the comment as well. Well, I guess that's it. I'll be showing you a few clips of the garden I'm in right now, so you get to feel where I'm at and how enjoyable it is right now. Okay, I'll see you in the next episode. All right, bye now.